Hello, today Maxime and I are going to be showing you how to change the domain name of your Weebly.
Okay, so first you're going to want to open Weebly.
Now tap Login at the bottom of the page.
Okay, so to log in, you're going to want to put your username. I know it says email address, but you don't want to do that. You want to put your username.
Now enter your password. Your password is your capital BMS and then your student ID number. Now tap Login.
Once you're in Weebly, at the bottom of your screen, push website, and it'll take you to a dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, select add a domain.
Now tap Search for a domain. Your teachers would like it to be your student ID. If it's not available, then ask Mr. Quinn or Mr. Schmidt.
Now tap on your domain name.
Now tap Preview, then Publish.
Now tap on your URL. This is how you view your website on Safari.
The password to view your page is Bobcats.
Thanks for watching. I hope you learned how to change your URL with this video.